keep fucking up this song. Guess I really fucked up this time. I made decisions that fucked up my life. Hate to admit it, but you're fucking right. I'm going down a shithole for the rest of my life. Hear them laughing in the room. Think I'm stupid and my life's fucking doomed. So much shit is racing through my head. Suicidal while I draw on the desk, staring at my empty doorway, wondering will things be okay. Hang a tapestry where it was, 'cause empty space makes me puke out my guts. I texted you on my Xbox